Sparks labeling. In this video, I will show you how to add a custom label to a chart. As an example, I have a column chart showing sales of different types of fruit with both positive and negative values. I'll begin by selecting the chart and opening the Sparks Manager by clicking the Sparks icon. Here, we find labeling 1, 2, and 3. Labeling 1 refers to the default labeling, here showing the delta values for fruit sales between January and February. Additional custom labeling can be made under labeling 2 or 3 to add further information to the chart. Labeling 1 can also be changed, but here we simply want to add an additional label. Start by clicking Labeling 2 to view the label parameters. First, we will set the text position by using the Assistant. The Assistant opens up a position matrix with the orange box representing a column in our chart. We can select one of these positions to choose where our new label will appear. Here, we will select 73 to position our label below the column for positive values. To do this, we drag the 73 box to the bottom of the window and place it on the left-hand side of the gray box. If we want the labels for negative values to appear above the columns, we select 13 and drag it to the right side. Here, the labels will be placed below the columns, and here they will be placed above. Now we want to insert text for our labels. Use the button on the right side to select a range that includes the labels we want to insert into the graph. For example, the different fruit types from the table. Click Apply and then click OK to apply these settings to the chart. As you see, our labels now appear in the positions that we designated for them. With many options available, you can further customize chart labels to best convey your message.